Instagram allows scammers to advertise. Fly Kicks USA is a scammer account. If I go to this account, huge sale, dunk lows, $150 each. 2 pairs for $250, which is too good to be true situation. The interesting little wrinkle with this one is that they are tagged pictures. That does not necessarily make it not a scam. Jordan 4s, 2 for $420. University 4 goes for $420 alone. A Black Hat goes for over $800. And of course, they're always going to say that they have your size. So I typed in Fly Kicks and I got a bunch of accounts. They're going to be using all of these in case one gets shut down. Instagram is not even vetting these people that buy ads. They'll let anybody buy ads, and a lot of times they'll let scammers buy ads. So you think that they're legitimate, and then they scam you. Want to see how he tries to scam me? What's up, brother? Too busy scamming other people. Okay, he messaged me back. I was gonna ask him about early pairs. See what he says. We have them available. Are you located in Medford, Oregon for meetups, or will we need to ship? All orders before February 20th come with free overnight shipping. Oh my goodness, that is so sweet. That's part of their game to make them seem like they're real people. So I'm gonna pretend like I'm just falling for his shit. Of course, you'll get tracking number immediately after each payment. So that right there, after each payment, that's not something that native English speakers say. We would just say after payment. It's not any kind of prejudicial notion. Someone that's actually doing business in this country, dealing with kids all the time, probably has a better handle of English than these little mistakes. And now he's already ready for payment. I'm basically inviting him to give me a fake picture. I can see you're credible. It's just I've never bought from you before, my dude. I want to pump him up a little bit. Of course, we appreciate you for choosing us to be your sneaker plug, and of course, we'll send pics over now. It's just like half hip-hop language and half, I don't know, English language. Bet. And to finalize your order, I just need the following information to ship out to you. See, this is all bullshit. This is all bullshit, but I'm gonna give him all kinds of fake ass shit. I used to live in this exact neighborhood. I gotta give him something that looks like a credible email address. You got this picture, this Jaritos picture. So would you like to do the Jaritos and year the rabbit early releases for $420? Hell yeah. They always make it seem so easy. I wanna look up that picture that he sent me. I'm using Google Lens. There's that picture, there's that picture, there's that picture, there's that picture. Let's go to Kicks on Fire. No thanks, I like catching L's. F you. Aha! There it is. All right, whose is this? Wogan Wody Yang. Okay, here's Wogan Wody Yang. He's got 15.7 thousand followers, and apparently he's a sample collector, which is very cool. There it is. There's the f***ing money shot, asshole. Okay, I sent the Zelle. Send screenshot, please, boss, for payment confirmation. Okay, will do. Oh, whoops. LOL. I meant this one. From Wogan Wody Yang. You scamming piece of shit. I'm gonna make you famous. Okay, so he blocked me. Hey, my email changed. It's go f yourself at eat27.com. Fly Kicks USA.
You suspect.